Hello, besties. Good afternoon slash evening. The time currently now is after 3, some minutes past 3, and I'm beginning this vlog from here. Besties, before I forget, Happy New Year. Yes, besties, Happy New Year to you, all my besties out there. We pray that this 2025 will be a year of unimaginary and unexpected blessings here and there for each and every one of us. Besties, I'm beginning this vlog today. Today's date. Today is the 19th of January, besties, and your girl is officially opening the blog today, and I'm officially starting my year today, if I would say, if I'm to put it that way. Right from the 1st of January, or let me say 2nd of January, I've not vlogged. What you all have been watching are my past vlogs that I have been editing and uploading. So besties, I'm starting. This is my first vlog of the year 2025, and I said that I must, I must come out here to know how my besties are faring and to wish you all a happy new year before this month of January runs out. I'm looking forward to put myself together, come out here. So when I start vlogging this year, there's no going back. I'll just have to keep pushing and pushing and pushing, to bring quality content to you all out there. And I've also been trying to ransack my head concerning my channel to look for ways to promote the channel, especially the views, to get engagement. At least let me see the views, but I don't know. The views are not encouraged. I'm not going to lie. You can take a minute to check out my channel. I don't know what I'm not doing right. I've had series of meetings, but all of them asking me to pay before they can, point out these things to me. And I'm not start making money from YouTube. So how do I fund it? How do I fund $100 or $120? I just pray that I get a hand of this. So I've been researching, watching lots and lots, so tons of videos on YouTube, trying to put my hand there and there to see where I'm getting it wrong. I really hope that this 2025 will not be like 2024. I really hope for my channel to pick up. I really hope for God to direct my own audience to me, my own family to me. So whatever I put out there, I'll see people to engage it and love my content. That's just what has been happening to a girl lately, that I haven't carried myself or putting myself to come out here to vlog for you guys. Okay, enough of the intro. The intro is getting too long, but in all of this, I'm super happy to see you. I'm super happy to be here. I'm super happy to put this first vlog of the year out here today. I'm super excited. I'm super happy to be back this 2025, and I pray that 2025 will be better, bigger than 2024. So today's video will be all about reset, New Year reset vlog. My room has been in a mess since I got back from the holiday. My clothes, Whew, it's just all over the place, as you can see. I even have some on the bed right now. I had to like decluster some for this some days back. I still have my box that I came back with. I've not actually put back in its position, so we're going to be doing that in this vlog. The new year reset. So while we do or organize my bedroom, let me kind of entertain myself, to cheer me up, to put me in the spirit. You know what I'm talking about? So let's play some music. I'm just going to go to my library. This is some music. Okay, let's do this. I love this song. The Wheels messing. You go like you. Doing all the things you like. But you like it. You be my queen, I don't need no rules. This a love song that don't need no rules. Be my sugar, I don't need no juice. Baby, love you is a must. Whatever done, girl, I have no clue. From a distance, girl, I'm feeling good. Steady on the make it move. Cause I want to satisfy you. Cause you my medicine, girl. Cause you my everything. When you wake up from morning, cause you my medicine, girl. Cause you my everything. When you wake up from morning, yeah, I go get by your side. Go on. Girl, you don't change my persona. Revelation is in the dark. All the pressure I've been under. Why I call you mercy? Cause your place gave me mercy. Please tell me I love you. You love me, you show me. It's a person who's going to see. You like this. You like it. You do all this. Do all this. You didn't do me well. You know this. You know this. You didn't do me well. Scatter my entire. Baby, you're follow. You didn't get down. Take a love is all. Attention in the land. If you know this style, you didn't get down. If you small in your flat, if you give me more, that's my color. If I give you a baby, now I'm for you. Put on first, become the day I'm for you. Darling, love me now, like this. I know I love so much. Get tired of my love, baby, spend your baby on me. This I know I love this. Get tired of my love. First is I'm done organizing the room. I'm done folding my clothes, cleaning my dressing table, dressing the bed. Yeah, that clothes, I'm going to put it back in my wardrobe later. I'm super excited I was able to achieve all this today because I never thought I was able to do this reset. But a fresh space is what worth living. So besties, here are the skincare I told you guys earlier at the beginning of the video that I got and I would love to be trying. I will just run you through the things I got. Let's try these products here and see how it goes. And it's quite a lot. It's quite a lot. I got it from a nearby supermarket slash pharmacy. Yes, a very very big pharmacy in this around my site. So let's try these products and see. I got some new products and I restock on the ones I was using before that I ran out of. Okay, so first on our list is this baby face facial cleanser. This is the avocado extract, set for beautiful and younger looking skin. Why I got this, I got it because I would like to have a cleanser after showering, after washing my face. I like something to use something to clean my face before I go in with my toner, my serum, my moisturizers, all that. So that's why I got this. So I'll be trying this. Hopefully I'll give you guys a review if it actually works well for me. The next thing I got is this vitamin C. This is my first time of actually using this product. Tonic. This is the brightening vitamin C facial tonic. It's not a toner, a gentle refreshing toner to release natural toner radiance. Okay, so that's what I got. I can't actually remember the price I got this, but I spent a lot when I was shopping this, but I don't know how much. But it's been some days now and I've thrown away the invoice. So this is the brightening vitamin C facial tonic. Let me try this product. I've never used this vitamin C product. I got it also with their daily moisturizer. So I got this and I got this. They're from the same company, the same, but this is not the Dasa product. This is the aloe vera, 99% aloe vera soothing gel. And I got Dr. Rachel. Let me try it. So I just saw it and I decided to go for it. It's also a moisturizer. This is a day-to-day something. This is Dr. Rachel Skincare Vitamin C Moisturizer. Is it? So I'll be trying this as well. I've not opened it, it's still sealed. And I got a face cream. I got two face cream. This is the Astas Dr. Menaya. Is it Dr. Menaya or what? Or is it Astaxanthin with 2.5% active retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and collagen face cream. This they said glowing moisturizer, whitening face dark spots. Actually the dark spot that attracted me to it, so I got this. Let's see. And I love the casing. The packaging is quite nice. So this is it. I also got another one. This is the collagen snail whitening cream. So I got this as well. Yet to use. I'm going to try them out. I stocked on my retinol, the face fat retinol, and also my Dove. This is the Dove pampering tablet soap. And I also changed my sunscreen. Now I've been using Dr. Rachel's sunscreen for a long time now, which is this. So I went the other day and I saw this. I said, let me give it a try. So I've not tried it. I'll be using it as well. Whitening Premium, moisturizes, whitening smooth, UVA and UVB protection, full protection, instant protection, long protection, sunscreen. It contains SPF 50 PA 3+. So we'll be trying it. So basically, these are all the things I got the last time, and I said like share it with you guys and to tell you guys that I'll be embarking on a new face skincare. Let me try it and see. I'm not a skincare lady, a girly skincare girly, but let me try it and see, and we'll see the results together. Okay, my besties, thank you so much, besties, for watching. We're going to end the video here and pick up a new vlog. Let's begin our year. Let's be energetic. Let's bring something to the table. So that's it. And besties, please, as I said earlier, please encourage me, support me. I even got some headband. It's not recently, since last year. I've never actually used this too. A green and a yellow. Yes, this is it. This hairband, trendy hairband. I've not used this too. When I was decluttering and organizing, I came across this. I've not used them, but hopefully this year we're gonna put everything we've not been using to use. Okay, so besties, thank you for watching. Please support your girl. Please turn in for me. Please turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So besties, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. God continue to bless you guys. Pray this new year we've entered will be a year of success for each and every one of you, my besties. Thank you all. Please don't forget to like. You know how we do it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, besties. Please comment. Even if it's 5 people that watch my video, 10 people, 20 people, please comment. I would love to see your comments. Support me. Tell me how the vlog is going, or even if you want me to show something else that you love to see from me, just let me know. I will gladly oblige. Please, bestie, support me. I'm begging, support me. And I really pray and hope that the YouTube algorithm picks up my video quickly. Seriously, I really need my channel to move forward. No more low views, by the grace of God. No more low views. God, please, I'm putting it in God's hands. Seriously, God, it's kind of disturbing me for some days now. No more low views, by the grace of God. Okay, besties, thank you all, and I'll surely see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You were scared as hell when I taught you to drive. Your hands were shaking and then you held me tight.